Hey Transit owners, Dimitri here with Cirque Supply, and I'm excited to talk to you today about floors. Now obviously I'm not standing in front of Ford Transit. This is a Mercedes Sprinter, but the one thing that's the most universal in every van that we make products for is the floor, and that's what I want to dig into today. I'm going to walk through some material choices, some styling options, and some general do's and don'ts. When it comes to flooring type, there's a lot of different options out there. I just want to go through what we use and why we use it. And this right here, what I'm holding, ladies and gentlemen, this is 3/4 inch load-bearing Baltic Birch. I understand there's a lot of marine grade plywoods out there. We generally don't go that direction because most of the applications that we make floors for don't require it, especially if you have a really good seal on your floor. You don't need it. This is why we use it. This is what works. We usually put a 1/2 inch layer on top of this because can't really see it here. We'll get some closer shots later, but there's an insulation frame underneath this flooring kit that's wedged within the 3/4. You don't have enough space with 1/2 inch to fit thin slit or Havelock or anything else in there. The 3/4 gives you that space. Then the 1/2 inch layer on top, that's going to be kind of that median layer between your insulation frame and your actual lawn seal top coat or laminate or whatever have you. Some people do vinyl. It's really your choice when it comes to what you want the top to be. But for the core, this is what we use, this is what works, and that's why we like it. Now, if you're shopping for transit products, more than likely one of the most confusing things right out the gate is when people ask you, what kind of transit do you have? What model? If you say 148, that's likely not enough information because there are so many different flooring types in the transit. Lucky for you, we've got all of them. If you're curious, you can check the link in the description. We've got floor profile cutouts in all of our flooring kits for the Transit 148, the Transit 148 extended length, and all of the dually variants within those two family groups. All of our flooring kits are cut with these materials I mentioned earlier, and the actual shape of the floor is cut to the factory floor itself. So it's like a perfect copy and paste. Everything's notched around all those weird corners, crooks, and crannies, especially those pop-outs that go right behind the slider door. Notches right around that, and it's just a drop-in, dovetail, plug-and-play system. Again, if you want to learn more, check the link below. Otherwise, we're going to keep rolling out cool content, cool videos specifically for you transit owners. We'd love to see you at the next one. Thanks again for watching, and as always, happy building.